We're traveling through the Redwood forest on our way to the drive-through tree. This has been a long journey. I'm almost halfway through. It's been over a month, and every day something happens. So please bear in mind it's very difficult to make videos and keep phones and GoPros and everything else charged up when you're living outside at a campground or on the side of a road. But the things that I saw are absolutely amazing. I've been riding down the PCH, riding up north, and every day is a new experience. Everything changes constantly. Today, the drive-through tree was absolutely beautiful. Very small road, very hard to drive through. A lot of potholes. It had rained, so it was real slick and slippery. But it was absolutely worth it to get to the end and be able to drive through the tree. It was a little scary and a little intimidating. It almost looked as though you were going to hit your head going through, but so worth it. I couldn't have asked for a better afternoon, a better way to spend some time. And then even afterwards, it was fun sitting there by the tree, watching other people going through and talking with people. Had a great time. They have a beautiful little park and tons of sculptures and carvings that people have made and hollow trees. So many cool things, trails to walk down, absolutely fun. Then we were off to see the grandfather tree. And it was a little roadside attraction. They also have a bunch of carvings that they have for sale and a little store so you can buy some things. And this park was absolutely gorgeous. It was on just a little side of the road rest area. And then to finish off our trip, we did the Avenue of Giants, which is 34 miles of redwoods, and such a great trip. Definitely recommend spending your day doing this. Oh, yes, there were a lot of places on PCH where it was one lane because part of the highway had fallen in the ocean or was crumbling. Either way, absolutely a great day. And I hope you guys have stuck around and watched this far. You can see the sheer size of the trees next to the cars. It's so incredible. Have a great day, guys. Don't forget, like and subscribe.